Hello. Today what I want to do is discuss how to repair a rippled ferro rod and a little bit of instruction and a warning. I have let people use this ferro rod and I had gotten a lot of ripples. Putting a firm pressure in it and ripping down, you have a far less chance of getting those ripples. It's when you're not giving it enough pressure usually. Now you can take sandpaper and sand gently to remove those ripples. I was doing that yesterday, and you want to go slow. If you go fast, you get sparks. Right there, if you can see that, I got burnt. Now I have done this a few times, and I was going back and forth like this, and I must have had I had my ferro rod like this going back and forth. I must have had a buildup of dust. When I came back, it must have struck a little bit too fast and created a spark. It landed on here. It was a little fireball and it just burnt. It hurt. I immediately dipped it in cool water and then continued to keep a wrap of cool water on it for the next 20 minutes, and that really helped. It's still white and such, but it was hours of pain for sure. So now I do not go back and forth. I make sure I'm going one direction. All the dust is going to come off. And also, if it sparks, it's away from me. So that's my tip. Is you can see here, I still have some ridges. And I'm putting some pressure on it, but I'm going slow. You've got to take your time to do this. If I go fast, you see what happens. So there is a risk in maintaining your ferro rod like this. I'm sure there's other ways. I've just sanded them down in the past. But be safe. And maybe even a glove would have been smart to use at that time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And these are meant for making fire, but not on your hand. Take care all.